Hi, this is Nicole Norman. I'm from the Home-Based Peddler and I would like to show you my explosion cards. My tutorial was with Mixedupcraft, and actually for this one she had made a explosion album and I decided to do just one page instead of four, and so I ended up doing a card instead of an album. The paper is from American Craft Amy Tangerine, and this one is from Frosty Friends Doodlebug, and this one is a smaller version. It's actually just like a tag. It's more like a tag, and I saw somebody else, I can't remember whom, I'm sorry, but she did some tags instead of doing this. I think it's Pootles Craft. This one, so it opens like this, and it explodes inside. You have space to decorate. You can decorate, actually Sam from Mixedupcraft, she decorated all the pieces here, and what I would not suggest is do like me and glue the whole piece there, because it's a little bit stiff, and I should have cut the pieces and glued them individually instead of just gluing the whole thing there. So it just adds up there if somebody thinks about doing it. And here you have space for signing, and it closes like this. It's really fun. It's super easy to do, as long as you follow the direction how you're folding the piece of paper. So same thing here. All I did was put a piece of ribbon, and it opens up. I put a little bit of 3D foam here and it didn't bother anything. I used the Stampin' Up Scalloped tag topper, and it's an extra piece I put. That's why I put another piece of mat here to hold on to my tag. So, and it's really cute. And I could have had something more, I didn't want to, and I still have space to sign something, but it's still a tag. It's not a card, it's a tag. So I hope you like them, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the like button.